Square peg, round hole. Hey, pull that hub off and rub it on your nut hairs.
Yeah.
And put it back on there. That way there's hair around that hole, you got it made. I'm telling you, ball hairs cure this problem. There you go, bend over for it. How you liking them dodges now?
Nice.
I don't know. The tools of destruction. Oh, he's fixing to screw up a stud. Just watch. Hey, go ahead and put your lug nuts on them studs so you don't jack them studs up.
It's tough, Cliff.
What do you know? It's listening. Not. You keep working like that, Bossier's going to hire you when they see this on YouTube. Bossier Chrysler Dodge, come make payments on our bullshit. Yachts.